Alright, for number 10, we're trying to figure out if there's a value of a such that this limit exists. To see this a little bit better, let's factor out the bottom. So we get x approaches negative 3 of 8x squared plus ax, we're just leaving the top alone, plus a plus 10. And on the bottom we have x plus 3 and x minus 2. So what we want to happen is we want the x plus 3 factor to cancel with an x plus 3 factor from the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to synthetic divide and see what a would have to be so that x plus 3 is a factor of that numerator. To synthetic divide, we'll put negative 3 on our shelf. Our coefficient of x squared is 8, of x is a, and then the a and the plus 10 are both your constant terms, so those are together as a plus 10. Start your synthetic by dropping down the 8, and then you multiply, we get negative 24. Adding those together, we get a minus 24. And then when you multiply by 3, you'll get negative 3a plus 72. Adding that last column together, we have negative 2a plus 82. And if we want x plus 3 to be a factor, we know that we need that remainder, which is negative 2a plus 82. We need that to equal to 0. Subtract 82 from both sides, divide by negative 2, and we can see that a should be 41. So that limits our answers now to either C or A. I'm going to shrink this up and move it so I have some space. And now that we know that A is 41, we can write out our limit. Limit as x goes to negative 3. The bottom was factored into x plus 3 and x minus 2. And if we know that a is 41, and what we just did is we made x plus 3 a factor of the top, and from here we have 8x, and then 41 minus 24 would be 17. We're going to have plus 17. Cancel out your x plus 3's. We have the limit as x goes to negative 3 of 8x plus 17 over x minus 2. And now that you've canceled out the whole, you can plug in your negative 3 for your x's. So that would be negative 24 plus 17 over negative 5. And if we simplify that down even a little bit more, we'll have negative 5 on the bottom and negative 7 on the top, and when you divide those you will get 1.4. So our limit is 1.4 and our a value is 41, so the answer should be C.